go in there? What do I have to do?
Just show them the flowers. Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. We're pruning our Grosso Lavender, as you can see right here. Where are you going, Sean?
Going right here.
You're gonna go right here? Well, we're not gonna show all the flowers. Yeah, that's our yarrow. And that's those, I think they're called dianthus you planted for Mom on Mother's Day like 4 years ago. Okay, Sean, we're gonna talk about the lavender, remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, talk about the lavender. What do you like about the lavender?
Well, I don't know what it does, but it's kind of good. But
It's kind of good? And you don't know what it does? Okay, what else? What color is the lavender?
purple.
Purple.
It's green.
And green. So what do you do with the lavender?
We don't know yet, but we don't know what it does.
Okay, so what we did so far is we cut the lavender in half, huh? Like a little dome. Half of it's gone, and it's in there. The bees aren't here yet because the lavender hasn't bloomed yet. If the lavender buds bloom, Shant, the bees can get the pollen out of it and make honey. Lavender honey, that's very good. But they're not open yet. If the flowers open, if the buds open, there's no more oil. Here, rub the flower and smell it. Rub the flower and smell it. Why do you have quarters in your hand? Where did you find quarters? Okay, go.
No, I found these ones, remember?
Oh yeah, you found them in the store on the floor. Okay, rub the flower and smell it. Smell. What does it smell like?
Nothing.
No, nothing. Okay, well, I guess I grow a Grosso Lavender that has no smell, guys.
I don't smell it.
You don't smell anything. Oh yeah, you need to rub harder. You just you squish them. Squish. There you go. Rub, rub, rub.
Oh, now I smell it. You have to have it in your hand.
And what does it smell like?
Lavender.
Lavender. That was easy.
Smells like lavender.
All right, Shantik. Let's finish the rest of this. Say happy gardening.
Happy gardening. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.